It's Connie with SimplySimpleStamping.com. Welcome to another Fancy Folds quick video. Today we're going to be talking about the box card. This is such a fun card. Can you see? It's like it stands. It's its own little piece of art. I love that. Really great little window going on there. Oh, and let me mention, it lays flat for mailing. So this is going to fit into a medium-sized envelope, easy to mail, easy to make. So let's get started. So for my video today, I'm just going to use some neutral card colors so that you can easily see what I'm doing. I have got 2 pieces of cardstock, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So it's just 2 quarter sheets. I typically go with a neutral for my background piece and a colored piece of cardstock for the front. But again, get creative any way you want is going to be a go. Let's go ahead and talk about the scoring. The first card I want to share with you is how to do the landscape or the horizontal. I'm going to bring in my Simply Scored board and I'm going to put the 5 1/2 inch up here at the top of the Simply Scored. And for this, we want to score at 1/2 inch and at 1 inch. Now you can rotate it around and do that again, but if you like to kind of keep it easy, we're gonna go 4 1/2 inches and 5. We now want to repeat those measurements on the neutral piece of cardstock. Again, 5 1/2 inch area up at the top. And now come in with your bone folder and we're going to take the 1 inch area, we're going to fold that in, and then we're going to take that 1/2 inch area and we're going to accordion fold that towards the outside. Let's repeat that with the other piece. And now you can kind of start to see how the box card is going to go together. So our adhesive is going to go there in those 1/2 inch tabs there on the end. Now we need to create a window for the card. And for this, you can use punches, you can use framelits. I'm going to go ahead and go with the square framelits for this one. So you can just add your framelit here, run it through the Big Shot, and that's going to create the window. It's now time to go ahead and put the card together. Now, on my sample, I wanted you to see, I actually ran mine through the Simple Stripes embossing folder. This would be the time if you want to do any embossing to go ahead and do that. But let's go ahead and put our card together. And guys, I am simply going to just use snail adhesive. Tear and tape or fast fuse also works wonderful. We're just going to put our adhesive down the tabs and then adhere those tabs onto your neutral piece of cardstock. Now, if you want to go portrait with your box card, the measurements are just a tiny bit different because I wanted to make sure I had enough space here in the center. To go portrait, you're going to want to score at 3/8 of an inch and 3/4 of an inch. Again, as I said, you're welcome to flip it around and repeat that. But if you want to just keep going, it's going to be 3 1/2 inches and 3 7/8 inch. We're going to repeat that with the Sahara sand. I found the ovals to be a little bit more user-friendly because like I said, we really do have a narrow space there. So let's pick one of our oval framelits. We can run that through the Big Shot. And I've attached that in the exact same manner. Well, there you have it. Whether you decide to go vertical or horizontal, either way, the box card is always a hit. I think people really enjoy getting a card like this that's just, well, it's a little more than a card, right? Like I said, it's its own little piece of artwork as well. Now, guys, if you'd like to see the samples of the 2 cards that I created using the box card method, head over to SimplySimpleStamping.com and look for the January 10th, 2018 blog post. I'll have the measurements there in case you missed them, everything that you need to create a simple box card. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in to today's Fancy Folds video. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.